Hello, good day to everyone. Today I come to explain how to make a debit amortization in Excel. I will be explaining that it is a debit amortization. It is the reduction of the debit according to the payment made until the end of the agreed date on a debt. To make the table, we use the credit that the bank lend use, the interest rate, and the term, and the payment. Note: when making the table, the rate has to be at the same number of periods as the time is different. Okay, in the following table is the number of periods, which is the number of payment that we are making. In the first row, put 0 because that it is when they give use the loan, which will be 12 payment. In the payment, we take this value from the previous table. As this payment is constant, then to set the box, we will press 4 to make it constant and drag the same value and not take other values if not only that box. In the balance, in the ending balance, in the first row, we will put the credit that they lend you is. In the second row, it will be 2 following the previous balance minus the amortization of the first month. Okay, in the amortization is payment minus the interest, and the interest, it will be the balance owed multiplied the interest rate, and since this rate is also fixed, we press F4 the interest rate, and it will be fixed is in all the box. And so we observe how both the interest go as cash payment goes through, as well as the final balance until it reaches 0, which means that we no longer owe anything. Well, this was all. If you like it, give me your like, and thank you very much for watching the video until the end. Thank you.